We live in a world obsessed with speed. Everyone wants faster success, quicker money, instant results, and overnight transformation. People want six-pack abs without exercise, wealth without discipline, relationships without effort, and mastery without practice. The modern world constantly whispers one dangerous promise: there must be an easier way. And while efficiency is valuable, the obsession with shortcuts often becomes a silent trap. Because the truth is simple, shortcuts may save time today, but they often create suffering tomorrow. Think about a building with a weak foundation. From the outside, it may look beautiful. It may rise quickly and impress everyone around it. But deep underneath, the structure is unstable. One storm, one crack, one moment of pressure, and everything begins to collapse. Life works the same way. When we skip the hard work, avoid the uncomfortable lessons, or rush through important processes, we may gain temporary relief, but we also plant the seeds of long-term pain. Shortcuts are attractive because pain is uncomfortable. Human beings naturally avoid discomfort. We want the shortest road between desire and reward. But many of life's most valuable outcomes are built through process, not speed. Trust takes time. Character takes struggle. Knowledge takes repetition. Health takes consistency. Respect takes integrity. There is no real shortcut to things that matter deeply. Take education as an example. A student who cheats on exams may enjoy short-term success. They may get the grade, the praise, even the degree. But what happens when real life demands actual competence? When the job requires skill, when responsibility arrives, when confidence must come from knowledge rather than paper credentials, that shortcut becomes a burden. What looked like success turns into anxiety. The person spends years hiding what they should have learned years ago. The same applies to money. Many people chase fast wealth through risky schemes, dishonest practices, or unsustainable habits. It feels exciting because it appears faster than slow, honest work. But money earned without wisdom is often money lost without warning. Financial discipline, patience, and understanding are not glamorous, but they create stability. Quick money often creates quick destruction because the person grows the income before growing the mindset needed to manage it. Relationships suffer from shortcuts too. People want deep trust without honesty, commitment without sacrifice, and love without vulnerability. They avoid difficult conversations, ignore small betrayals, and choose temporary peace over necessary truth. But unresolved issues do not disappear, they grow in silence. What was avoided today becomes emotional damage tomorrow. A shortcut in communication often becomes a long road of resentment. Even personal growth cannot be rushed. Many people want confidence without failure, wisdom without mistakes, and peace without self-reflection. They consume motivational content endlessly, hoping inspiration will replace discipline. But confidence is not built by hearing powerful words. It is built by surviving difficult moments. Strength comes from carrying heavy things, not talking about them. Life does not reward the appearance of growth. It rewards the reality of it. One of the biggest problems with shortcuts is that they train the mind to depend on escape. Every time we avoid necessary discomfort, we teach ourselves weakness. We become less patient, less disciplined, and less resilient. Over time, small struggles feel unbearable because we never developed the muscles to handle them. What could have been a brief season of discipline becomes a lifetime of dependency. This is why many people feel stuck. They keep trying to skip the staircase and search for the elevator, but life often demands the climb. The staircase is boring. It is repetitive. It requires effort, but it also builds strength. Every step prepares you for the next one. The elevator may seem faster, but if it breaks, you are stranded because you never learned how to climb. There is also a hidden emotional cost to shortcuts: guilt. Deep inside, people usually know when they have avoided the real work. That knowledge creates insecurity. It whispers during quiet moments. It creates fear of exposure. It weakens self-respect. Real confidence comes from earned progress. When you know you faced the struggle honestly, your confidence becomes unshakable because it is rooted in truth. Nature itself teaches this lesson. A tree does not grow overnight. Its roots deepen slowly before its branches rise visibly. Seasons of unseen growth are necessary for visible strength. If you force rapid growth without root development, the first strong wind destroys everything. Yet people constantly want fruit without roots, harvest without planting, success without seasons. This does not mean all shortcuts are bad. Smart systems, better tools, and efficient strategies are valuable. The danger begins when shortcuts replace fundamentals instead of supporting them. Technology can help learning, but it cannot replace understanding. Delegation can improve productivity, but it cannot replace responsibility. Convenience is useful, but not when it becomes an excuse for avoiding growth. The real question is not whether something is faster. The real question is whether it weakens or strengthens you. Does it help you become capable, or does it make you dependent? Does it save time while preserving integrity, or does it sacrifice the future for temporary comfort? Wisdom lies in knowing the difference. The people we admire most are rarely the ones who found easy paths. They are the ones who endured difficult roads with discipline and dignity. Athletes train for years. Great leaders survive failures. Strong marriages survive storms. Meaningful success is usually slow, quiet, and unglamorous before it becomes visible. The world sees the reward, but not the years of invisible work behind it. If you are in a season where progress feels slow, do not be discouraged. Slow is not failure. Slow growth with strong roots is far better than fast growth with hidden cracks. The pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts much longer. Shortcuts often delay pain, they do not remove it. And delayed pain usually returns with interest. So choose your pain wisely. Choose the discomfort of learning over the shame of pretending. Choose the effort of honesty over the destruction of deception. Choose the discipline of consistency over the chaos of quick fixes. The road may be longer, but it leads somewhere real. Because in the end, life keeps the receipts. Every shortcut eventually sends the bill. The only question is whether you will pay now through effort or later through regret. And if this message spoke to you, take a moment to reflect. Where in your life are you choosing temporary comfort over lasting strength? Change begins with honesty. Don't wait for pain to become your teacher. Start building the right way today. If you found value in this, like, share, and subscribe, because sometimes the longest road is the only one worth taking.